Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to learn about special friends. In this book, we have special friends. We have this kind of ooh and shh and ch. We have everything that has special friends. Also A. Also I. Everything is special friends.
So how many special friends have you got?
A lot.
A lot of special friends.
Yes, everything is special friends. Also, we have the empty spider, but has special friends.
Okay.
And we have more special friends. So
you
we
can
have
make
to
the sound out of it.
Shh.
Your first special friend is shh.
Yes, it's a quiet sound. So you
Quiet
have to
sound.
show your teeth.
Okay.
Show your teeth, everyone.
So how do you do your teeth?
Like this.
How do you do your teeth?
Like this. And then you make make shh, like this. Then you make a sound, then start up with shh. Then do it now.
Okay.
Good job.
Good job.
Because we're still doing it. Yeah,
Very
Mommy.
good.
Yeah, because I love special friends every day. My special friends. I will be right back.
What other special friends have you got? Tell me. Shh. Oh yeah.
Yeah. My second word is ch. So you have to show your teeth. Then say ch.
Ch.
Ch. Ch. Like how Sa showing her teeth.
You have to open.
Now say ch.
Ch.
Good job.
Now
Now I'm gonna find some more special friends. Mommy, it's
Can you see special friends from there?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the keyboard.
Shift. Yeah, on the keyboard. You found a special friend on the keyboard.
Yeah.
Well done.
Whoa here.
Whoa.
S
You've seen another
I.
I from the word lights. I.
Yeah. So you have to show your teeth like I. Then open your mouth.
Open my mouth.
Then like this. Then say I everyone.
Hi everyone.
No, I. Mommy, it's A.
What?
A. Yeah. Yes.
Like Sunday.
Yeah, and like
A.
Saturday and Friday
Friday. Thursday.
and Monday and Tuesday. And so we have to open your mouth
Yeah.
and say A.
Open your mouth and say I.
Yeah, A.
I.
Another book that has special friends.
Hi, special friend. You back? Good.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
what have you got in there?
So the Peppa Pig has special friends too.
So you've got a Peppa Pig.
Yes,
Pig
and
book.
wait a minute. I
Wait a
saw something.
Oh wow, you saw something.
It was in the book. It's look.
What's this sound? What's that? Another.
Let's.
Another. Okay.
So you have to
It's a
stick your
tear.
tongue out.
Yeah. Stick your tongue out, but
Then
just
say-
a little bit.
Look, it's.
What is that? Four letter. Where is that?
I know. Wait a minute. Here.
Where?
Here. At the end.
And the end. Ing. Driving.
Yeah.
Ing.
Like, So you have to So you have to show your teeth like this. Then say no. No.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Just I told you have to show your teeth like No, it's That's why you have to spell
Okay.
That's it for today. See you next time. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.